You guys, I am so excited to do this video. I'm so excited that you guys want me to do this video, honestly. I think that's probably the part that I'm the most excited about. I'm so excited because I'm showing you guys all of my Christmas decor. I went balls to the wall this year. First year having like a basement to store actual Christmas decorations after Christmas passed, so then like I can keep them and all that fun stuff. But I am going to be doing another decorate with me, even though it's like post decoration. I'm going to show you guys how I decorated for Christmas this year. I think I did a good job and I think you guys are going to love it. I did a blog post about my living room, but I know a lot of you guys don't read the blog, let's be real. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys and hope that you guys like it. If you guys do, be sure you stick around by subscribing and also thumbs up this video. And let's just go ahead and get into the home decor. Ooh, and we are back here. I've got my new plant that Cody got me. Sunbathing because it's been so dark here in Nashville. So this is obviously my entryway. You guys saw it not too long ago on my living room tour and a lot has changed since then. I switched up the message on the inside. As you can see that's from Amazon, and then basically all of this decor is either from Hobby Lobby or Target. I got these at Target. A lot of these are from Hobby Lobby or Target. Fun little fact, I love DIYs, and so I painted this that I got from Hobby Lobby, which I think turned out amazing. I Mod Podged some pattern clothes onto it, and then I actually DIY'd this calendar too, which turned out amazing and it matches perfectly. I get a lot of questions about this tree. I got this from Home Goods last year, so I can't really link that for you guys, but I think everything just kind of looks fun. I know it's not everybody's taste, but I really enjoy it. As always, this is my apartment to be credenza that I love so much. This is such an eyesore. So this is my Christmas tree. We love it so much, and I'm just using this banner that I got from Target's Opal House collection as the tree skirt, because obviously this is a pencil tree, so it's super skinny. I think it's 7.5 feet. I got it from Michael's, but keeping myself relatable. I kind of think it looks a little on the farmhousey side for my liking, but I think it turned out pretty good regardless. These stars actually from Anthropology. It's obviously tilted right now, but I think it looks so cute and kind of ties in the whole like rattan stuff, and also the beads that are on the tree, the garland that I got from Target. My favorite thing that I did with this tree is I actually took these like little things from Hobby Lobby and I just stuck them in. They're like used for making wreaths, and put one here just like all over. I think I bought maybe like 6 of them. And another cool thing is these little clips that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. You just clip them onto the branches, and I think it adds kind of a fun dimension. Also, it breaks up all of the balls on the tree because that can get a little aggressive sometimes. I have a lot of disco balls to kind of bring in like the 70s. And then I wanted some texture, so I cut up the garland that I made last year and just made them into ornaments, and I think it turned out great. Like how cute this ornament is from West Elm. I got this little ornament from Target, their Christmas section this year. It looks so cute. This one's from Target. Target again. I think this one is from At Home last year. And my favorite are these matte black ornaments. I got these at Home. That's the Christmas tree. I think it turned out amazing. Except for that. Moving on from there. Now we're back in this section. Didn't do much here. I just put these things. I honestly did not put much effort in over here. I just have a little pilea. I gave this a little Christmas makeover. This is not what it looked like when I gave you guys a tour last time. Added this little thing from Target with all these bristle trees from Hobby Lobby. That's from Michael's. And I got these things, which I did not do a good job taking off the tag, from Hobby Lobby. Oh, that's embarrassing. So over here is the side table. I didn't really do much here. I just filled this up with chocolate. Not a fan of these cherry cordial Hershey Kisses. And I added like little things on here. Everyone says add ribbon, but I don't have ribbon. This will do. Something fun we did with the couch is we added the Christmas lights that we had left over from outside behind the couch, just to kind of like add a fun aroma while we're watching TV and stuff at night. I don't know, it looks much better at night. The only difference now is I have 2 different pillows. I got these 2 that fur one, and this one from H&M. They were like $17, and I got another one of the furry ones here. And then this plant's getting some sun right now, but here's the 'Tis the Season pillow that I have right there. And then over here, I just put a hat on as a tree topper. Fairy lights on this little cactus, big cactus from IKEA. Then I just have our stocking holders, which are marble from Home Goods last year, with our stockings from Hobby Lobby, I think. Also getting some sun, since we have sun. So that is the living room tour for the Christmas decor. I'm gonna move upstairs to my office. No, just kidding, to my stairway. Now I'm moving on to the stairways. So I have this little wreath that I DIY'd last Christmas. I just like super glued a bunch of stuff on this little mini wreath that I picked up from Michael's. And then this is one of my favorite parts. Ignore my bag at the top. I actually got this garland from Hobby Lobby, and then I took this garland that I got from Michael's and I just wrapped 2 sets of each all the way up my stairs, and I think it looks so cute and just so clean and trendy. White walls, they're so fun, aren't they? Unfortunately, we don't have any plugs near the banister, so we couldn't put lights on it, but this will do. Honestly, my favorite thing that we've done. Okay, and here we are in my office. Clearly a little messy, but that's the story of my life. So to be honest, this door basically never closes, which is a pain in my ass, but anyway, this is my hat wall. We love a hat wall, don't we? I have a DIY that I never posted on my blog on how I did this, but if you guys want to see it, I can definitely do that. And then I just have my desk, which I got from Joybird, which I love. It's so vintagey looking. And then this is pretty much the only thing that I have going that's Christmassy in my room. This is my tree that was in my bedroom last year, and it's honestly probably my favorite thing in the entire world. Not to be dramatic, but yes, freaking love it. This is so annoying. I actually got this tree from Target. I think it's like 5 feet tall maybe. It's not very tall, but it's like perfect for me. And I like it because it's not really super full. I did 2 different types of garland on it. Both are from Target, and I will link them if I can find them. Look at this. This is from last year. This is an Anthropologie tree topper, and it's probably my favorite thing in the entire world. My goal someday is to have like a full-on Anthropologie looking tree, and so I buy a few ornaments every year. Unfortunately, this year their ornament selection was not very good at all. So I'll show you some of my favorite ornaments on this tree. Like I said before, these garlands, I got 2 of these ones from Target. They're 6 feet tall, and I just kind of like wrapped them randomly. And then I got these ones, I think they're like 10 feet or something, from Target as well. Great, my nails look fabulous. Oh, and then what makes this tree different is I actually use fairy lights instead of regular lights because it's so not full that I didn't want anything too overpowering. I will link those in the description box below too, but I have these ornaments from this year's collection at Anthropologie. I got an S for me, obviously. Then I got a C for Cody. I love the sweater one. I think it's so cute. I have one of these ornaments. This looks just like the one that's my tree topper. That's from Anthropologie last year. I actually got this one from Target. I have this one that I got from West Elm. These ones from last year's Target collection. These little birds are from Target. How cute is that? That's from Anthropologie. This one's from West Elm. I definitely layered a bunch of smaller ornaments in the back and sometimes in the front, like that one, just to kind of give it variety. Like, I don't like them all to be the same size, and it looks cool when they're further back since it's not a very thick tree. And here's my little life hack for you guys. You can use your blankets as a tree skirt. Yep, that's what I did. Anthropologie, man, love that for myself. So beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys this. This is like my favorite thing. This is a little planter that I got from Anthropologie on the Black Friday sale, and for my anniversary, Cody took me to the plant store and he got me this rubber tree. Well, he got me a few plants, but that's one of them. And this thing's really cool because it drains water out, so you can clean this out once you're done watering, so that's fun. This is my favorite thing in the entire world. I love this couch more than life. It's so comfortable. I've literally never had a more comfortable couch. It's so plush. It was worth the wait. Oh my god, Joybird, you killed this couch. Oh my god, it's so amazing. That's from Urban. That is from Etsy. I always get so many questions about my rug, and this is from Etsy. It's a one-of-a-kind rug, one of those kill 'em rugs, but I freaking love it. I did the same thing that I did downstairs with Christmas lights. Put them back here. I have another one of those trees from Anthropologie right here. I love that. I've literally never seen a string of hearts thrive like this one is right now. She is loving her life. Yeah. So that is the tour. Yeah, so that is my home decor for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. I love to decorate. It's like my favorite thing. Interior design in general is just awesome to me. So I showed you guys a living room, even though you've already seen my living room tour, which I'll link in the description box below. And then my hallway, and then a little sneak peek at my office. It's coming along slowly, but we're getting there. So if you guys like this video, Instagram, subscribe. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all later.